My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. I live in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia because these days everything online. Okay. Today I'm going to talk about uh, 8 mistakes that first home buyer usually make, so you won't make a mistake. Everybody does. I did as well. That's why I'm teaching you eight mis- eight mistakes so you won't make them. Okay, number one, um, property experts say that you look at least 100 properties, before you buy. So you start looking even before you're ready, you know. Look. Um, look mean go and see the property, not photos. Okay, and look at 100 properties and put an offer on 5 to 10, and you will get one. Okay, so the more you look, the more you know. You know, someone like me, teach you everything, tell you everything, but if you look yourself, you get experience. I can tell you the skill to get experience. You look 100 properties. Okay. Number two, you should have a clear criteria. What do you want? You want a house, you want a townhouse, or you want a unit? Decide. Okay. So the less choice, the better for you because it's your first time. Okay. Third mistake, which suburb? Also, the less is the better. Do the most. Don't have too many choice. It'll confuse you. You make most mistake. Okay. Um. Okay. Fourth mistake is know your budget. Come to someone like me. We do pre-approval for free, so you know how much you can afford. So save your time. You know, uh, that's the best way. Okay. The fifth mistake people make is they don't research the suburb they want to buy. Okay, even if it is the suburb you grown up in, still research. If it's your own home, you might see things that you didn't see before. There's two websites. One is called Walk Score, WALK, Score, SCORE, Walk Score. Second one is Microburbs, MICROBURBS. No? Have a look at those two websites and you know everything about the suburb and the property within that. Okay, so when you go and look at the property, an agent will try to sell you, you know whether what they say is right or wrong, because remember, agent always work for the seller, not you. So you got to do your own independent research. So look at website called Walk Score or Microburbs. Okay. Sixth mistake first home buyer usually make is they put all the emotion in the buying property. Leave it out. Otherwise, you'll be played by the agent. The more you show you want the property, the higher the price agent will charge you. They know how to read people, and most of us don't. Okay. Seven mistake people usually make is they don't know who they got around them. So talk to your potential neighbor before you buy the property. Stay in the street for half an hour, half the day. Find out who the neighbors are. You're gonna end up living with them. So it's best you find out a little bit about them before you move in, especially if it's the home you move in. Okay. You have to put up with them at least for a few years. It's best to find out about them. Otherwise, they could give you lots of headache every day. Okay. The eighth mistake people usually make is they learn they borrow the amount they can't afford. Okay. Bank will lend you. Just make sure you can afford that amount, or you, even if you can afford, are you willing to repay that amount even if interest rate increase for 1%? Okay, someone like me let you know how much approximately you have to pay back if you take this much loan. Okay, and then also do a try run. So if you're gonna take, when you start looking for the property, before you take on the loan, do a try run. If I say you have to pay back 500 a week, put that 500 aside for a few months before you take a loan, so you know that whether you are happy to put that money away. If you not, reduce the amount of the loan. So do a try run. Okay, the last one is you can negotiate. In this world, everything is negotiable. You just got to dare to negotiate. Okay, so when you buy the house, not only the price is negotiable, also the deposit, inclusion, settlement period, everything is negotiable. So you negotiate. Okay, don't take everything on face value. Okay, these are the things I want to share with the first home buyer, so they get educated, they don't make mistake like me and a lot of other people did. Okay, if you get it right first time, you on the right journey, you will grow faster than us. Okay, all my contact details are in the post. If you think this live is you know it's good for people, please, I ask you to like and share it. Yeah, if they come to me, they tell me your name, I give you, both you and your friend, travel voucher each. They worth about 600 to 1,000. We in COVID situation at the moment, but they don't have expiry. Most of us wanting to get out for travel, so we can go as soon as this COVID finish. Okay, so please come to me. I not only do the loan, I give you all the tips so you can find the right home for the budget. When you get the loan, I help you pay off your home loan ASAP, and when you pay off the reasonable amount, I help you grow your wealth through property investment. Okay, thank you very much. Have a blessed day during COVID time. Okay, enjoy the rest of tonight and the school holidays ahead. Thank you very much. Bye.